everyone, it's Volha. Today I'm diving into Notion's brand new Maps view that I've been waiting for so long. We're not just going to look at buttons, we'll test it on real example. In 5 minutes, we'll build a Lisbon trip planner from scratch, color code pins by day, and explore all the settings. At the end, I'll share honest pros and cons, plus quick fixes so everything works for you on the first try. Maps view transforms your database into a map where each pin represents a separate page. You decide how to color groups and which filters to apply. It's perfect for trip planning, venue listings, events, and basically any task where location matters or has an address. Let's get started. If you already have a database, open it. Plus New View, Maps. The place property might be added automatically, or you can add it yourself. The setup works like calendar view. You can either add a needed property beforehand, or add the view and the system will offer to create a property automatically. After adding it, you can either type a place name or paste an address and select from the suggested options. Done! Pro tip: type /map to quickly create and connect a map. Now let's look at how the map works in practice. Let's create a new database and name it Lisbon Map. Database structure: title, place name. Type, select. Attraction, cafe, restaurant, viewpoint, beach, museum, church, monastery, transportation, castle, park, etc. Day, date. Place, place property. Cost, number in euros. Link URL. Let's immediately do customize layout. We'll pin the date, type and cost next to the title. Then we'll make place a separate view as a map and put the link before the map. The rest of the properties go to the side panel. Now a mini map will be visible on our page. Let's create 4 views: table, calendar, board, and map. For the table, I immediately group by days. I'll demonstrate with a 3-day example. So the first location is Monastery dos Jerônimos from 19:30 to 11 o'clock, costing 18 euros. It's a monastery, and the place field we also enter the name and select the option. In the link, we'll paste the official website where you can buy tickets. We'll open this page and click Change Cover. When I plan trips, I usually use the quick Unsplash integration. If the place is famous enough, there are usually good images available. Let's enter your place name and choose an image. We also see a mini map of the location, but unfortunately we can't change the zoom level here. However, we can also see the name of the top, and it can be copied. If you enter an address, the address will be displayed. Now let's switch to the map view and verify that our points is exactly where it should be. Let's also configure the map view. Let's go to Settings and select Extra Large Height. You can choose different sizes, but I prefer the large one. And let's immediately set conditional color by tag. Let's duplicate the map view and name it Map by Days and apply conditional color for each day. To do this, I select Date Is and choose a day from the calendar. Then assign a color, like green. For the next day, maybe blue, and for the third, purple. Now let's try adding a point directly on the map. In the top right, there is an art pin icon and will point to a place we're interested in. For example, Torre de Belém. As you can see, it immediately duplicates the name, but we can adjust it slightly. Let's add an image, date and time, tag, I'm not adding the cost since it's currently closed and cannot be visited. So we covered 2 ways to add points to the map. Now I'll quickly fill in everything else. By the way, notice that in some cases it's hard to determine which address is correct, especially for common names. In such cases, you need to copy the actual address for accuracy or use the map directly. So here's my completed map for 3 days. On the first map, I see colored icons by days, and on the second by talks. Filters can be useful. For instance, I have several attractions without dates in case I have extra time or plans change. They appear gray on the day-based map, and I can hide them using filters. And I really like how it turned it out. It's look clean. Compare it to my Google map where I mark places I want to visit and interesting spots. But they don't have trips filter, which can sometimes be confusing. I used to solve this problem by simply adding a link to the map as a link property. Now, if you click on location from your phone or computer, it redirects you to Google Maps automatically, and you can build a road. Pros: clean map, flexible coloring, perfect for travel plans and local directories. Cons: custom emojis or pins aren't supported yet. Name search can be finicky, and without an exact address, pins might be driven to the wrong location. Fix: copy the full address from Google Maps and paste it into place. Coordinates will be fixed correctly. Or create a pin directly on the map. I'll be testing this map on real trips soon and will be able to tell exactly how it works. And I'll also check how well the offline mode works with this map. If this video was helpful, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next videos. Bye!